dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Outside at the base of the Touge. He's about to head up the hill real quick. We finally got H22 Accord, and there's really not too much to say. He mashes. We're about to go see who's up on the hill. We're about to head up there, so check it out. Got a camera on the front, got a camera inside, and I'm handheld. Let's ride. Back out in the mountain another weekend, thing up, and look what we finally caught up with. Mans is ready to rock. What was that, weekend before last? The steering rack we've had? Yeah.
Yeah, you still have no power steering right now.
Oh, you're not powered right now?
No power steering, it's got the glows.
There you go. The long and short of this car, H22, suspension, control arms, and what else?
That's pretty much it. Everything's pretty much H22, Euro R, has a B-series transmission, so H to B.
Oh, okay, so good short gear ratio?
Yeah. Well, I actually have it winding out too, so it winds out at 8400.
Oh, okay, so it's spinning up high.
Yeah.
And then just took out the rest of the shit that ain't needed.
Exactly.
And all right, so that's good. Oh, so you look real interesting when you look at the RPMs. It goes way past what it's showing on the dash.
Exactly.
That's sick. That's sick as hell. Well, hell yeah, man. Yeah, we were trying to catch back up with you. This should be a treat. So yeah, we just go cruise, and it's all about you.
I'm gonna do some warm up on Red Waves then.
Yep.
I haven't been up here in 2 weeks. Last time I was up here was in my EK. Had to take off the top.
Oh really? Okay. All right. Well, yeah, we'll kind of go through, scout it, and then.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cool. Practice run done, first run in. Pretty good jamming happening. The rest stop here. This is middle of the mountain. Walking on this road is insane. They better be going to that car right there. Downhill is crazy. He picked up the pace a little bit more. This thing is riding. It's what's cool is the simplicity, right, of a vehicle. The vehicle doesn't have to be hella wide body, splitters, diffusers, and spoilers. It could be this, and this on this type of road is a dominant type vehicle. The usability of vehicles is where you want to focus your modifications at. This car has obviously got a few choice mods: springs and shocks, control arms, front lip. Look at the Grom. So what's up, bud? How you doing? It jams because this is super simple as well. You go to Miata, again, lightweight is king here. Lightweight, probably what, 16 by 8, 16 by 7, 16 by 8s maybe. He's got some Ventus RS4s, nothing in the car but slap in his chair. So that's pretty tight. A little bit of rigidity. I think it's bolted in. I don't believe it. Yeah, it's bolted in. I can see the bolt right there. A little bit of rigidity. I mean, that's really all that you need in cars like this. The Touge is just a different beast. Just a very different beast. It's very fun. Man, so look who popped in the vlogs. The Dirty Boys, Dirty 30. They came out in the G Squad, G Train. Actually, really, 35, 37.
Yeah, this is a 35 as well.
Oh, you just did a slick conversion?
No.
What?
Okay, so
Wait, what? Hold on.
they had the V35.
What kind of sorcery is going on
They
here?
had the V35 sedan.
What kind of sorcery is
And
this?
then they moved to the V36 sedan, but they kept the high rev 35 motor.
But it's
Yeah, dual
It's-
intakes.
it got a facelift.
But it looks like the G37.
So was it sold as a 35 on the market?
Yeah, and that's what makes it a pain in the ass to find parts for this thing. You search G35 for this year, and the only parts that come up are for the coupe.
So 37 with a
37 with the
With a-
35 motor.
gotcha. Tight. Okay. But the biggest key is that it's manual, and that's all we care about.
Manual, welded diff.
Oh, you already went weldy, boy?
Bruh. Like, we put the coilovers on, we put the arms on,
Yeah.
and I shattered the diff doing a burnout right there. Tried to do
Yeah.
a burnout, and the diff just like clunk, not working. So I pulled the diff out, and like it still spun fine. The pinion was good, the ring was good. So I just, it's a viscous, so I just welded up all of the plates in the viscous and popped it back in.
Call it a day, yeah.
Good to go.
Test your might. Excellent. Finish him.
to death. Y'all took his manhood so bad when you passed by. Oh God, he's gonna give you a tongue lashing.
Like the hardest I've driven in a long time.
We've been doing this shit every weekend.
Yeah, I know that now. I'm trying not to overwork these tires. We did on that last one coming back at the last quarter. We like alright right now. We in the okay zone, but
you got tire pressure gauge?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Is Porsche dude giving a tongue lashing,
no.
or is he got good vibes?
I can't see.
I see dude grinning, so it might be good vibes. It better be good vibes. Ain't no egos out here. Go, 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 go! That was manly. That was manly.